Alicia Silverstone's son Bjorn is such an example of health and has never needed medical intervention or antibiotic. As the actor touts the benefits of a plant-based diet. Alicia Silverstone has received criticism over the years for choosing to raise her son Bear Blue on a strictly plant-based diet. But the clueless star 44 recently revealed that her son's such an example of health that he has never needed medical intervention in all his 9 years. This is a child who is plant-based, to never have needed antibiotics in 9 years and had to never have needed any kind of medical intervention, said Silverstone in an interview with ET. She continued, most kids have so many ear infections, they are taking medicines all the time. Also, Bear has never needed antibiotics. Alicia clarified that she is not saying she would not give it to him if he needed them, but as of now, he doesn't need it. This is a kid who's been sick twice in his life, twice for like a few hours, she claimed. He said, Mommy, I don't feel good, I'm going to lay down. In his whole life, twice he can get a snot nose, but he's still climbing trees. Alicia really wanted people to understand that her son is a great example of the benefit of the plant-based diet and that it is not a diet deprived of essential nutrients. Bear just so healthy. I just want to share with the world so people can see that a plant-based baby is really healthy. It's not like they're just doing okay. They can do better, explained the actress to ET his dietary Behar. Alicia welcomed her online child in May of 2011 with ex-husband and musician Christopher Jaracki 44. The former couple, whose relationship spans 20 years, were married from 2005 until their divorce in 2018. Besides touting the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, Silverstone also opened up to ET about quarantining amid the coronavirus pandemic with her 9-year-old son. Specifically, the Crush actress revealed that Bear recently ditched his famously lengthy hair, but she thinks he'll be growing it out again after his trim. We went home together, we got in bed, and we were both looking at each other like something had happened. It was like a new person, she recalled. He's so great and he seems fine. His hair is growing back and it's very cute. His hair will be back to his base soon, I'm sure in no time. Bear appears to be following his mother's footsteps, being that he is set to make a brief appearance in his mom's new movie Sister of the Womb. Alicia also revealed that Bear will be featured in the second series of her Netflix series, The Babysitters Club, because she wanted to make sure he was able to go to work with her. Because of COVID rules, he can't come unless he's in it, so they put him in it. He plays the youngest child best friend, she explained. All I wanted was to be able to bring my baby to work. We have to support working mothers too. I'm not going to leave my kid for months. That's just not happening out of the question.